As someone who's recently purchased the Apple Watch Ultra, the first thing on my list was to protect it. Today I'm going to help you protect yours. All three of today's items are brought to you by Elixir. If you would like to get one for your Apple Watch Ultra, you can find the links in the description below. Okay, starting with the simplest item today, and that is the Clear Protective Case by Elixir. This crystal clear, flexible yet hard-wearing case from Elixir may not look like much, but it certainly does its job. The purpose of this case is to protect the outside of the watch from impact. The Clear Protective Case is designed and produced to near perfection, and it does nothing but complement the watch in my opinion. When we take a final look with it on the watch, we can see it doesn't add a crazy amount to the bulk, and it looks pretty good too. Before we get to the next one, why don't you subscribe for more videos on the Apple Watch Ultra? The second offering I have from Elixir is this protective case with screen protector. This offering to me is an all-round winner. First and foremost, this offers complete protection, and installing it is a piece of cake. First, we need to see what's in the box. Here we have a cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, a dust sticker, and of course, the screen protector. First of all, let's start by turning the watch off. Then, grab the wet wipe and clean the screen thoroughly. The next stage is to dry the screen with the microfiber cloth. Then, finally, use the dust sticker to dab away any annoying dust that may have found its way onto the screen. Now, we simply have to take the protector, remove the tab, and then carefully place it over the watch. When you're happy it's seated well, give it a final little bit of pressure, then wipe it with a cloth once more. That's it, the screen protector is installed. When we stand back, we have a protected Apple Watch that also looks amazing in my opinion. There are so many people that wanted a black Apple Watch Ultra, and I think this is one of the closest things you're going to get to it. Okay, so the final screen protector we're going to look at is the Elixir Tempered Glass Protector. Inside the box you'll get a cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, a dust sticker, and of course the screen protector. Just like the last installation, the watch needs to be powered off, and then we need to follow the same cleaning procedure again. First with the wipe, then the cloth to dry it, and finally the dust sticker for the remaining particles. Now it's simply a matter of removing the screen from its backing and carefully lining it up. Then, once you're happy, apply a little bit of pressure to the screen and it's done. Finally, take the microfiber cloth and give it a wipe once more, just to make sure it looks pristine. Again, we can see that this adds nothing to the bulk of the watch, but it does really add some serious protection here. If I had to choose, I think I would go for having the all-over protection and the black look for my Apple Watch Ultra. What do you favour for yours? Let us know in the comments below. I've been Mark, and I'll return like the Jedi.